How to create videos on Canva. Welcome guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create videos on Canva. First you need to make sure you're logged in into your Canva account. Then you want to click on create a design and click on video. Another way to find is just enter video. You'll be taken to a new page, and as you can see, this is the start of the video. You could upload your own video. To do that, you want to go to uploads to the left and you can drag your media here, and after you can put it into your own video. You want to make sure you click on videos so you know it is a video. Another thing you can do is use Canva's library of stock images and videos. And for that you want to go to design, and some of them are free, some of them are for pro. What you want to do is click on it. Again, click on the plus, or you can select and drag your video into the frame here. And as you can see now, I can change the way the video looks. So here I could alter the text, or I can give it another text color. You go above here. I want to make it blue. Change all. If I want to make this bar another color, you can select the bar. Click on the color, change the colors. Maybe you want to put in something like this. Or you can click on animate and you have all kinds of animations. Let's say we go for the rise. You see it has a little rise on it. And after you're done and you're satisfied with the video, you can click on share. Click on download and select the file type. I would say just use MP4 video. So click on that one, click on download, and after that you have created your own video. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.